All right. Let's get it going. Throw that on the screen. What's up, everybody? I got a live stream going on in the back. They about to see how we do over here at Trade Different. Anybody who's not here, they're missing out. Everybody that is here, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everybody that's not here, y'all getting the watered down version. So y'all not getting the charts with all the details on it. Y'all just gonna get my thoughts and how it's moving. Y'all got the blank chart to look at. Enjoy it. Whether the chart is blank or it got the details on it, whatever I'm saying is worth its weight in gold. So you can follow the play, or you can go lose some money today. We got 2 minutes to the market open. Everything's going nice. QQQ, about to hit my target. Looks like we got a little breach on the ES target. So let's see if we just continue to run straight up, or if we get this first pullback that I'm looking for. I am looking to buy some more shares in SENS because it looks nice. It actually bounced off of this line. It didn't do the pattern that I thought it was going to do, but if it holds here at open, it should drop down. It should drop down though. But if it holds here at open, I'll buy more. If not, then I'll leave it alone and just hang on to what I got. Lyft is about to take off. So whoever's in Lyft, hold on to those plays. We got 3:30 or 9:30 on the money. Let's go.
Ready? Then grab your charts and let's trade.
Let's go. We got the pullback happening. Right on the money, right? Pullback right on the money. Don't get scared though. We're here to make some money. We running this meta call up right now. Y'all can play this to the downside real quick. Make a couple dollars going down. And get ready to make this money running up. These SENS calls are up 20%. Meta calls are up 200%. Tesla is at break even right now. Let's pull Tesla up. Tesla's at break even right now. It's the wrong Tesla. Boom. Tesla's at break even right now, but Tesla should have a little pullback and run right back up. Meta, 230%. So we rocking out on Meta. We looking for a big move on Meta today. Those of you in the Discord, y'all see the target right here. Those of you outside of the Discord, join the Discord to come get some of this money with us. Meta, looking nice. Meta and Google been in the gym this week. Push-ups is looking solid. We do this every morning. We run these numbers up. What's going to happen right now? It look like we broke the level. So let's go back to the SPY over here. Well, we didn't break the level on SPY yet. So let's not count out this move back to here. Right? Let's not count that out. And then this move could happen as well if this candle holds like this form a little bit, right? Because what kind of candle is this? Right? As of right now, this is a 30-minute chart, so kind of sucks to call it off a 30-minute chart because it's going to take a while to play out. But let's see what happens here. Tesla in the green. Meta 230%. Let's see if I should grab these Sens calls now or not. Sens is 33 cents. I think I'll hop into Sens right now. My average on Sens is 28 cents. Thinking about it, might wait a little second on Sens to see if we get a little pullback on here. Here's Meta right here. Meta crosses this. Meta runs up. Meta made the cross. Meta should run up. So we might not get this pullback necessarily. Let's just see what happens. It's right here at the top. It looks like it wants to pull, but it doesn't want to pull. So we'll see what happens because Meta just crossed right here, right? So Meta crossing this is basically this on the daily, right? So watch Meta to take off. Tesla same thing. Tesla crossed this. So watch out for Meta to take off. Meta could go right to here real quick and then drop down. Not Meta, I'm sorry, Tesla, sorry. Tesla could go right here and then pull back. Another one that I was talking about yesterday, if anybody was here, was this, right? And this actually didn't do what I thought it would have did. I thought it would have went a little higher, right? But this kind of dumped this morning. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if this bounces off of here and runs up to here, right? We'll come back to that and check that out in a little bit and see what happens. QQQ still going. SPY kind of indecisive there. Let's look at SPX. SPX. The gap up on this. So crazy. So crazy on the gap up from SPX this morning. Great calls on these plays from yesterday. SPX should be headed to around here. But we could get this first. This is the same thing I'm talking about with the SPY and QQQ. We could get this, then that, right? Probably a little lower. Somewhere around here. We could get this, then that. So keep an eye out on those. Meta is doing God's work this morning.
God did.
Meta is doing the work of the Lord this morning. It's only right we spend our lonely nights getting crazy bids until we awake the kids. The sins is going. I don't know what I should do. Let's talk about the possible put here. Not saying that we're going to enter it just yet, but could have a possible put here. If not, then it's a straight bounce to 6,100 plus. But if we get this put here, we're coming back to about 60.50. But Meta is still doing the Lord's work. What's the name is pulling back a little bit, Tesla. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla's getting a little pullback there. QQQ trying to stretch it out. SPX pulling back now. Those SPX puts are up 7% right now. Alright, they're back down now to break even. Let's see what happens here. Definitely look like it's setting up to drop though. Let's see if it breaks this level here. If it breaks this level, then we might be going higher. Meta still cruising. My target on Meta is right here again. Y'all want to see these targets? Those of y'all that aren't in the Discord, join the Discord. Come get this money with us. Let's look at Tesla again. Tesla with the slight pullback. Tesla should take off momentarily. Nice move on Meta. Let's go back to the SPX and the QQQ. QQQ still launching, looking nice. SPX is trying to make a move up. Kind of getting stuck right here. We need to clear this top right here. Once we clear this, then we good on Meta. I mean on SPX. Boom. Boom. Cleared. SPX is going to keep running up, or should keep running up from here. QQQ with the slight pullback here. I don't know how these lines got way up here, but I think I know what these are from. I know what those are from. Netflix, we don't care about Netflix. Meta, we don't care about Meta. I think we're going to try this put. I think we're going to try these SPX puts. I think we trying these SPX puts. I want to. QQQ doing QQQ pulling back a little bit too. You have to push on Tesla, Meta, and SPX right here. SPX off the gap up looking nice. Alright, what happens here? We get the downside pressure, or is we getting the pop? Look like it wants to pop, right? Gave us the pop. Go to the QQQ. That means the QQQ still popping. So it don't look like we got the move back down that I originally thought I was going to get. And we got the straight breakout out of this right here. So let's line up this target real quick. So we talking about 528 on the QQQ, maybe 530. What a crazy play for anybody that stuck those swings out. looking like on these other joints. Whoa, whoa, big lift. Take off. What's going on? Big lift. What happened here? Yeah, big lift and big Uber ain't cooperating. I thought Lyft was a nice play. That's probably a hell of a gap too. Yeah, I thought big Lyft and big Uber was supposed to make a nice move, man. Okay, so I got a little miss on Lyft. Sens is going off. Sens is at 36 cents. Boom. Next target, 41 cents for Sens. Let's see if we could get some action back here on Lyft. Let's see how this works out. All right, off the 2-3. Let's see if we could get some action off of this now. So we got a Google 192 call on watch. Big Sens with the money. So I'm not jumping in Sens from here. Tesla with the disappointment. What's up with Tesla? Tesla with the disappointment right now. With the pullback. We don't need that. So let's look at Google calls though. Because Google did a nice little pop this morning. Look at that. Look at God's work, man. I ain't even touching Google. I feel like Google's at my target, 191, 192. It's not a big enough move for me to play for $2. And being so close to the target. Look at God's work on this. Look at that. 527 already. Look at God's work on this, John. Going crazy. Might as well finish this move to 682. At the least. Better looking like. Lyft need to get it together. Let's see what happens here on Meta. I guess Meta could play the rest of this to 93. But still, it's still a little bit of money to me. Just that small move. Woo! Look at that candle. Look at Sens plowing. Low entry. This was a very low entry play. And it's paying. Work Sport is going to be next. All right, Meta, coming back. Bring Tesla with you. Netflix coming back. There we go. All-time high, QQQ. Imagine the NDX play on that this morning. With the gap over this. And this is going slow, right? So NDX is probably somewhere up here at like 2160 or something like that. Or 21,600, I'm sorry. Go ahead, QQQ, finish the job. Let's check out Coin. Coin's still low. Let's check out MSTR. MSTR looking like it's looking for a breakout. Watch MSTR. Tesla right back. Looks so beautiful. 5:30. Are we gonna do 5:30 today? Let's see. We're already in the zone. Nice push. We get 5:30. If we could get over 5:30, we end up at like 5:35. That's my goal for the week, is to tap into 5:35. We could tap into 5:30 today and 5:35 by the end of the week. Is this the pullback? Because you know how these CPI days work. You might could get a top to bottom play all in one day. Hit a lower time frame, see how this is turning out. Oh boy. Meta 632, looking nice. What's the exhaustion on Meta for today? So the exhaustion for Meta 634, 635, 636, anywhere in this area. If we can hold up here, which I think we should, then we'll see the 644 this week. And if Meta gets nasty this week, we're going to see 670, 675.
If you're not here, then where are you at?
Nowhere. Nowhere. If you're not here, then I don't think you're in the right place. Can't be. Let's go. Let's go with the Meta move. Give me a little bit more reason to hold you a little bit longer, Meta. We gonna get this full move? Sure is. Sure is. There it go. There it goes. Here come the breakout right here. Here go the breakout right there. Here go the all-time high right here. There it go. Just tapped into the all-time high. Now it's being crazy. Let's go. Look at Meta. Meta tap that and turn right around. Let's see if Meta breaks it now. Right? There we go. Boom. Boom. Knock on the door again. Knock on the door again. Boom. Kick that bitch down. That's what we doing. Knock on the door again. Nah, come on, ATF. Boom. Meta is raiding the bank right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All the way up. Ain't waiting. Come on, Netflix. Finish that out real quick for me. There we go. Can we see 644 today? Come on, don't stop. You got a little bit of room left. Hit that money for me real quick. Lift ain't going as planned. It don't look like. Started off nice. Little slight pullback. Come on, Meta. Let's finish this job out real quick. We could always re-enter Meta for the long run. Let's just finish this job out real quick on Meta. Come on, Meta. Come on, QQQ. Hold up real quick. Let's hold up before you want to drop. Let's give Meta a chance. There you go. Right there. A little more. Boom. And that's how we end the trade right here. So we're gonna take some off the table right here on Meta in like 2 more seconds. Two more seconds on Meta. Boom, there you go. Let's see what happens. Does Meta cross over? Meta crossed over. 644 on Meta. 644. Is it going to drop? Is it going to pop? We get another pop in here, so we going to 644. There we go. 644 on Meta. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful move on Meta. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. Don't go back. Let's run it up. Let's run it up, Meta.
Let's run it up.
Let's go. Let's go. What's QQQ looking like? QQQ holding up too. Let's go, Meta. Tesla coming back yet? Tesla coming back. Let's go. We can hold up. We can hold it. We can hold it. We can hold it. You already stabbed into it, which means that you already know that it's weak up there. Go ahead and take control. Netflix going back up. We don't care about this rigatoni play. Where I can put for that. Sends looking nice still. There we go. Go ahead, QQQ. We looking for 530, 60, 75 on SPX. We should be about to break over 60, 82 and run to like 6100. Can we do an SPX 6100? Oh shit. Okay, I guess I'm stuck with it now. I just entered it by accident. But we'll see what happens. Go ahead, Meta. Up 500% on Meta calls. In total on Meta calls, I'm up 800%. I got another Meta call that's open as well. But that's for later on. This one is 300%. Meta doing the work of God today. There we go. What did I say about this one? What did I say about this one? So if that's happening, let's go check his partner out. What did I say? Checking out the partner. Look at the partner in crime. Right there. Partner in crime looking good. Meta looking good. Partner in crime looking good. Sens looking good. There we go. There we go. There it goes stretching. Where we going? Where we going for the day? Right here. Right here. Let's do it. Probably too close to jump into that too. Should have jumped in that this morning. They was $90 this morning. The 645s was $90 this morning. They're now $430. Let's go. Let's not back down, Meta. We got something to accomplish today. All right. What are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? A little pullback or a big pullback? What are we talking about here? We're not talking about anything. We're going to the roof with this. We're going to the roof with this. Look at Netflix doing what it do. Bitcoin back to 100K. Meta just wanted to come back here and see what was going on below. I was trying to give people time to get picked up. MSTR might be one for today or into the end of the week to 450. MSTR to 450 could be one for the week. A little pricey, but it looked like it'll pay though. It's $400 if it hit 450 end of the week. You're looking at like $1,600 if it taps into 450. A little pricey, but it looked like it could work. There go the volume on Meta. Meta about to plow through this joint right up to 644. Hopefully it breaks up higher and we get this 675 by the end of the week. But we'll see what happens. It has to plow through this 644 in order for me to hold on to it. Here goes 630 on QQQ. Boom. Here goes 6100 coming in on the SPX. Ain't that something? I sold 530 calls yesterday, man. That's so crazy. And I paid $2 for those 530 calls. $2 each for those 530 calls. And I had 20 of them. And I sold them. Let's look at the VIX real quick. The VIX is down. The UVXY. The UVXY is down too. So it gapped down this morning. So it's really down. It's coming up, but it's down. Psh, man. Crazy, right? It's all good. We know we got the plan over here. It's just to stick to it. That's it. That's it. We stick to the plan over here. It's no stopping. All right. Look like we're getting a pullback on all these calls and stuff. Let's see what's going on with the SPX. Nice pullback off the retest. It's like right there. Nice pullback off the retest. Let's see if we get a bounce back up though. Slight pullback off of this retest too. We definitely gonna wanna lose the money. So what's the mission? What's the mission right now? What's the mission? We looking at Meta. I think Meta's gonna hold up. Yeah, that drop was just on the fact that the UVXY was pushing up. Or the VIX was pushing up. Let's see if we get a stop right here on the UVXY and the VIX right there. Well, I'll use a horizontal line. Make my life easy. Let's see if we get this stop right here and we get a reversal back down. Go down to a lower time frame. That's exactly what it looks like is happening. Look like we pinned into it. We're a little bit above it. And we're still pushing above it. It's not a good look. Let's see if we just pin into it though and pull back. We got 10 minutes left on this bar. So we'll check that out in 10 minutes. Bitcoin 100K. MSTR, a little pullback here. Boom. Look like we're backing down. Look like we're backing down on the VIX. Be a nice reversal right here. Could be a nice reversal right here coming up. Here we go. Tesla back at 409. So we need to keep Tesla in this area. Tesla will see 415. And if not, the next higher target. Right there. Looking like it want to push up. We still got what, 30 minutes left on this, 40 minutes left on the hour. So we need to get back to at least 50% of the hour on Meta. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. I don't like that. This could drop. This could drop. This could actually drop. This could do this right now. This thing right here. Boom. We should get the bounce right here. Bitcoin back to 100K. This lift play is dead. So I just grabbed a put for SPX back down to this gap. So we might get that happen before we get a bounce back up. Nasty spill on left. It's to run back up right here. What? Nah. Could be. That's a nice breakout this morning. Nice breakout for the morning. Could have been done off of swings this morning. Tesla trying to come back right now. Tesla trying to come back. Meta going to flip soon too. I would like to see this drop back down though to fill the gap and then run back up afterwards. Tap into this fair value gap. Could be. I'm not chasing it. I'm not touching it. Not touching it, sir. But yeah, it could be. Could finish the move to 25 right now. That don't got nothing to do with me. There go Tesla pushing back up. So let's see if Meta is about to do the same thing. Let's see if this catches the fair value gap and drops. If it doesn't catch the fair value gap and drop, then it should continue. If it catches the fair value gap and drops, then it's going to go down to back to 600 or 605 or something like that, 604. 5-minute candles take long as hell, yeah. Alright, let's see if it's going to tap this fair value and drop or if it's going to keep running up. Alright, tap the fair value. See what happens now. Didn't tap the fair value. Alright, there's the tap. Now let's see what happens. Does it flip or does it keep going up? Look like it's going to keep running up. Yeah, it looks like it's going. No, it's a little indecisive right here. There we go. Tesla's trying to creep to this 415. I feel like Meta's trying to do the same thing to 644. Okay. Got the reversal then. What's going on? Fair value gapping down. Fair gap value gapping down it is. This could be a decent drop back into the end of the day. And then get another run up tomorrow. Saying this all works out. Meta's going back up though. So I don't know. I don't think that drop might work out. As long as Meta goes up, the market is going to go up behind it. No bueno on that one. It's going up. No, it could come down. This could be a shooter. Sound like that's why I don't like playing on these lower time frames. I mess myself up sometimes looking at stuff and then not realizing on a higher time frame is actually working out. Yeah, it might drop down right now too. That's crazy. All right, let's get this drop going. Let's get this drop. So all we need is a nice drop on the day. Finish up the day nice. Tesla need to keep working his magic. Tesla's close to the target. We need a drop. We don't need this to go up any further for right now, just because I'm in puts. So I need a little bit of this downside money. See what we got going on. Downside ain't looking too promising, but definitely looking like it's a possibility that this is what it's doing. Right, to finish up this 6100 move. Definitely looks like that's what's happening though. At 6190, that definitely looks like what's happening. Let's see if we can get this little massive move to 61 real quick. Come on, don't back down there. Let's get this move to 61 real quick. Go ahead, Tesla. There we go, Tesla. Let's get a round of applause going for Tesla. Let's look at Tesla real quick. Well, we got Tesla on the screen already. Let's get a round of applause for Tesla. Tesla's looking great. Tesla's looking great over here. Let's go, Tesla. Come on, SPX. You next. Can we get a round of applause for the SPX too? Don't back down on us. Let's do the right thing. Get that push up out of here. Take us to the promised land. Come on, take us to the promised land. Let's go. Come on, don't do the backwards thing. Don't do the backwards thing, man. Tesla, you looking so good right now. You just need SPX to follow the game. There you go, Tesla. Beautiful move on Tesla. MSTR making that move. Making that move.
Yes! Yes!
Let's go, MSTR. Get this push real quick. We looking for 450 on MSTR. Here we go, SPX. Coming with the breakout. Let's go. This is the lowest I want to see on SPX. But I would love to see SPX up here. There we go. 414. Tesla. Just pulled back. There go to move on Tesla. Let's do it. Should have gave him my daily chart. Better try and go back up now. There we go, Tesla. Shit, Meta probably right behind it though. Right. Tesla 420, 415. Once we get the same thing with Tesla, gets into the zone, should run up. Bitcoin still doing exactly what I said it would do from last night. 102 is the first target, 105, then 110, or 108 to 110. Here go to breakout on SPX. Boom. Come on, SPX, do me some justice, man. Do me some justice, SPX. Let's hit 660, 61. Or close. Tesla too close to the first target not to hit, so look out for 415 on Tesla. QQQ 530 about to tap in. Sheesh. I had 25 30s last night. 20 of them. Come on, SPX. We need you. See what happens here. See if there's like a weak inverse head and shoulders here. Or a flag. It's acting like it want to break out though. MSTR looking nice. This 415. 427. Definitely gonna tap 530 today. So we're gonna run up the rest of this at the least. And then tomorrow's probably gonna run up the rest of this. So we're looking like 535. And then Tesla, like I said, Tesla gonna get in here and go wild. Bitcoin still looking great from the entry on last night. There go MSTR green. Let's go. Here go the breakout on SPX.
Your genius is unmatched. All I want for Christmas is a play from Stax.
Come on, let's break this level right here on SPX. We break this level right here on SPX. It's to the roof. So we could get caught up around here. This obviously right here is going to be the first area of resistance. As you can see, we're kind of rejecting that. This is going to be our second area of resistance. This will be like a stronger area of resistance right here. And then once we get over this, we should peak out and at least touch right here. I would love to see it touch up here, but we should at least touch right here. So this could tap right here, right, and then come back to that. But we wanted to tap right here and come over that, and then run up from here again. So this was what we talk about in the room all the time, right? This was that. and we just broke it, right? So if we broke that, that means that this is weak, and we should see more up here, right? And none of these lines are like 100%. So this box right here could be right here, right? This box could be this right here that I was just saying, where we could reject that and drop down a bit, but we got to get over top of it. But that could be this, right? So this could just really have to slide down a little bit, right? And then once we over top of it, boom, we should see this just happen. Alright, we locking up right here, just like what I said. This is going to be like the next major resistance. And then boom. Then boom. Here we go. If we could hold this area right here. If we could hold this area right here, it's going boom. What Meta looking like? Meta's coming down a little bit. QQQ, it's gonna finish that. What's Tesla looking like? Tesla's still playing in this range. Tesla's gonna finish that. MSTR making moves. Let's hope that MSTR doesn't pull back here and it breaks this level. They already broke it, but we want it to break over that. We need this to boom right here on SPX. MSTR, it broke the level. We needed to run at least up to 412 today, maybe 420 today. So the UNH finished their move, because that's what it looked like they all talking about over there. Didn't really finish it, but it was a good move. It still might have that 425 in there, though, that 525 in there. Here we go. We holding this level right here. We just need to break out of it now. Just get the nice break out of here on the SPX. Come on, let's not do the retest. Let's get the break. Let's get the break. Nice clean break. 429 on QQQ. QQQ could hit 435 today. What a monster play that would have been. What a monster play that would have been. Come on, SPX, hold up. Hold your end of the bargain. We definitely got room up. Bitcoin still got some room up. SPY looking to make this next move up, 607. So SPY is in here, right? So we're at least gonna see 608 right now. We at least getting a 608 out of this. So a 608. Let's look at the SPY again. 608 would be, boom, would be up here. So that would be what on SPX? That would probably be this on SPX right here. So we're probably going to get this 94, 99 area that I was talking about. That's how we do it. Sheesh. Man. Had I held from yesterday, boy. Be sitting on like 10K this morning. Crazy. I'm still shooting for like 7K today, though. I'm still shooting for like 7K today. I'm still shooting for like 7 today. As long as this SPX cooperates, I'm shooting for 7 today. I won't be as hurt as if I make this money today. Because yesterday was a disappointment. Yesterday I should have been up like 10K. Today should have been another 10K. My goal was to make 30K before the new year. I was trying to make like 20, 25 before Christmas. But my goal is to make 30 before the new year. I'm already in 10. So I need to make 20 more for the month. Come on, don't stop now, SPX. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make this happen. Told you this was gonna be a nice little resistance right here. We just need to break out of this. It looks like we did break out of it. We need to just keep pushing though. Look at that QQQ, 29.15. Right there, right here about 5:30. What a move today. What a move today. Here we go. We breaking out. The only place you should be is right here. Besides your 9 to 5. Don't quit that yet. But be right here for a couple more months, you're going to quit that. The only place you should be. Right here. And then if you got a sweet 9 to 5 where you barely doing nothing and you working from home or you working by a computer and you could do this at the same time, that's all money. That's all money. I do this when I'm driving. I do this when I'm at work building houses. I do this on the toilet. I do this eating breakfast. I do this hanging out in the bar. Listen. We gonna do this and make life easy. 150% on the re-entry on SPX calls. 150%. I'm trying to hit like 300-400% on these SPX calls right now. All the way to the bank with this one. Let's go. Don't stop now. Here come 5:30 on QQQ. Sheesh. Oh yeah, we doing this wherever. We do it on the plane, the train, at the game. We doing this forever. Listen, I watched the dude Mini that I joined his Discord. I actually left that joint, but he used to take pictures of himself and videos. He was a college student. He was doing it in the middle of class, making $3,000-4,000 sitting in class while taking notes. Listen, we gonna do this wherever we can. I'm gonna do this while I'm unfortunately out at dinner with my girl. Right? She gonna be like, "What you paying attention to?" I'm like, "I'm paying attention to the money. I'm making sure I can pay for this dinner, and we could go hop on a flight after this." We doing this wherever we can. Imagine that you could wake up on a vacation and from 9, especially once you get it, from 9 to 10 o'clock, 9 to 11 o'clock, make a couple $1,000 while you're on vacation, right? A couple dollars is paying for itself. Ha. Yeah, they all do. They all support the gains. They hate the losses. That's funny. Yeah, that's why we gonna show them, like, look, this is non-stop. You ever step outside of this realm, that's a sad day. Depending on the type of person you are, you might want to pull up in the Benzes, the McLarens, the 911s, the Teslas, the The new Cybertruck look decent too. The new Cybertruck is 10 times better than what we saw this year. So yeah, you can pull up on anything you want. You want to take a cab and take an Uber Black to the Clearport and walk the landing strip and get on the private jet. That's coming soon too. We ain't stopping. Let's go. Let's finish this move. I need to see 400% at the least. Bitcoin with the little pullback. Meta. QQQ with the little pullback. SPX with the push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. UNH with the little bounce. This was a nice play though on UNH to play this whole thing all the way back down though. This was a beautiful play. This play is even prettier though. Come on, don't stop right here. That's 50%. Don't stop right there. It's the fit. Well, let's do the right one. There go 50% right there. Right. That's the 50% on the money. And make sure that it started from down here, so I can see the back end of it. Yeah, that's the 50% on the money. Let's break through that. Let's break through that right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go, right through the 50%. Don't stop now. Let's go. Let's go. You need a little motivation. Where Auntie at? Where Auntie at? Give us a little motivation, Auntie. Come on, Auntie. Come on, Auntie. That's what I want to say. Come on, Auntie. Let's go, Auntie. You ain't even got to drop it today, Auntie. Go get that money. You got to climb the pole today, Auntie. Let's go. Auntie, we ain't coming down the pole. You got to go up the pole, Auntie. Let's go. Come on, Auntie. You got this. You got this. You're ready to grab the level. All you got to do is just finish the move for me, Auntie. You got to finish the move for me, Auntie. How I do this, Joe? Where we at with this, John? How does John work? How does John work? Oh shit. Come on, Auntie, what you doing? Need you to run up. Run it up, Auntie. I can take
Check.
I can take this as a pullback. What's good?
Check out NDX on the 15. I know you don't look at the smaller time frames, but just like evening stuff.
You in NDX?
Yeah.
So you can look at it off of looking at the QQQ. So this is because you can't see it on the trading view unless you're paying for it. So this is what it looks like. Could be an evening star. I think this is going to finish out the 530 though. All right, right here. We should get a bounce right here off the top of this. More Auntie. Come on, Auntie. Don't do that. Let's go. You looking good right now, Auntie. Let's finish this out. You got a mission. You got a mission to complete. I don't want to see Auntie do this. I don't want to see her do that. I want to see Auntie just get busy from right here. Same thing with SPX. Same thing with Meta. Same thing with Tesla. Look how close Tesla got. Tesla hit. Oh shit. Tesla hit 415. Didn't even notice that. But Tesla still got a little bit more room to finish that. And then push up into here. We ain't going backwards. All forward progress. Come on, Auntie. There you go. Take that measurement real quick. Come on, Auntie. So disrespectful. So disrespectful sometimes. That is amazing daily bar on QQQ, yeah. Here it come, 429 QQQ, or 529, sorry. Let's go, SPY. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. $5.29. There you go. $5.30. Coming up. $5.30.50. Coming up. So this would be the first area that I would look on those NDX plays to want to exit. $5.30.50. It could go higher. Right, it could push up right to 535, but I would watch 530.50 first. Same thing with this SPX play. I would watch 93, but it could push up into 100, like 107 or something like that. Right, we push up to 107. End of the week, I would expect like 61.70, 61.80. Right, what's that on the SPY? That's 6. Look, where's my box at? My information's already up here, right? I already signed the papers last week. I signed the papers last week. I might even sign the papers 2 weeks ago, or just under 2 weeks. But that's here go the documentation right here, right? This area right here. That's where I left my paperwork at. Look at the exhaustion right there, right? My paperwork's already up there signed. So we already got the mission, right? And if we got the mission right now, right? What can you be doing? You could be loading up for the mission, right? You could be loading up for the mission, right? Where could we come back to? Right there, right? So you could either be loading up now or you could wait until it comes back here, right? Once it comes back here, once it comes there, you got a whole mission up here. Let's go, Auntie. $527.50 or 25. Sometimes I round up the numbers, so it might not be there yet, but I round up the numbers sometimes. Let's go, Auntie. They talking about news in the other room. I don't know what they talking about, but they talking about news. They talking about Nike had news. I don't. We don't do Nike news. We don't do any news. We don't do any news. We just do the chart. We just do the chart. Right? The chart says it's here. That's where we going. 5:30.50. So whoever's in NDX, watch that play right here to 5:30.60 or 50. See what happens. If it rejects at 5:30.50, then you're going to want to sell. If it breaks over top of this and it can hold over top of it, then you might want to hold the 5:35. It's still only 12 o'clock. So we still got 4 hours left. But you want to watch it because it could have that pullback and then run up again. Right? I find it real funny how news lines up. News lines up with the charts. Hard to believe the news, man. American media is one of the sheistiest medias out. All media was made to persuade you, to make you believe in the country. Right? Same thing with radio. Radio was made to make people believe. So I don't want to get into politics, but radio was like introduced because people didn't know nothing about who the presidents were and all of that stuff. Right? So radio was introduced so that people could hear like things that are going on, or else you get a newspaper with a transcript on there, right? Who's saying that I can't lie to you in the newspaper? Same way that I could lie to you on the media, right? They go 9. What's this? 51. That's 52. Right? Here goes 60. 40 cents away from 5:30. We talked about 5:30 last week. We got the spaceship right here. This look like the UFO right here. Let's see if we got a UFO in this joint. We should have aliens in here, don't we? We ain't gonna call them diamonds no more. We gonna call them UFOs. I think we got the UFO in this joint though. Let me look on my phone. Could have swore we had the spaceship in this joint. Yeah, I think we do got the UFO in this joint. Where's that? Boom, right there. That's what we calling these now, from now on. Anytime we see a UFO, we getting beamed up, right? The UFO gonna come beam us up, bam. Or if it's an upside down UFO, we know that this joint gonna suck us into the ship. But this our new tag for this play right here. We're gonna call it the UFO. Boom, 71 cents, 30 cents away from 530. Let's go. We almost there too on this one. Come on, SPX. 250% on the SPX call. Let's break through this. Let's break through this. Let's get the finish move on this one right here. Right? And look, let's even go higher, right? So let's talk about it for today, right? Let's say this is the move on the day, right? Let's say that's our move on the day, 6100, right? Then let's say this right here is the move of the year, right? Oh, I gotta move my spaceship. Hold up, I need that box back. Let's move my spaceship. I guess I can't do it with these joints, right? Probably not. Yeah, I can't. But yeah, all of this. So let's look at this as our next move. We got 6122, right? So 6122 is a possibility on the day, right? So let's just keep that in mind, because we still got 4 hours left in the day. So 6122 could be a possibility on the day. So let's see what happens. If 6122 is a possibility on that day, then let's see what this could be for the day. So we got that whole move there. Let's see if we can break this down a little bit. All right, I'll take that. Boom. I'll take this right here. So this could be 435 on the day for sure, right? So just watch, that could be 435. So that'll say the NDX. So you see NDX is here already. So NDX would be like 22. NDX is somewhere in here. This is all slow. So that would say, I don't think, yeah, this would say the same thing. 21,960 by the end of the day. So I don't know where NDX is right now, because like I said, that's slow. But 535 on the QQQ. Oh, I'm so disturbed that I sold those QQQ calls, man. 2530s, and I paid $2 a piece for them. Crazy. Come on, auntie. Come on, auntie. Auntie, you do me this favor. I talk shit to Rick Ross myself for you. You don't have to talk shit to Rick Ross no more. I tell him not to mess with you no more. Let's go, Auntie. Let's go. 40 cents away. 40 cents away from the QQQ 530. $240 on the SPX calls. What I say, 61.22 possibility on this joint. Yeah, 61.22. Just had to make sure. Where Tesla at? Tesla coming back up. Tesla about to do the thing. Go ahead, MSTR. We don't care about this right here. Let's see if Lyft got any sense back into it. What a disappointing play. Thought it was a good one. It was looking good. Lyft just came down here, filled this gap. I feel like after it fills this gap, though, it's off. So Lyft is going to be a good one to get back into. Let's look at Bye-Bye. Bye-Bye is close to the target for the re-entry. So we got an alert on. I think we have an alert on here. We should, unless the alert hit already. No, it says it's active. Yeah, it says it's active. I don't know why it ain't showing up on there. Come on, Auntie. Let's make this move right here, Auntie, to 61.24. By the end of the day, let's go. Let's go QQQ 535. Let's make this happen. Let's go. You over the 50%. You might as well just finish the move for us, Auntie. Go ahead, UVXY. Keep dropping on us. VIX, keep dropping on us. We got this whole gap down here. The VIX want to come see. Right? We got this whole move right here. The VIX want to come see. Right? So we holding strong until the VIX get to 1330 at the least. At the least. Come on, Auntie. There you go. 25 cents away from 530. What a play. I ain't been seeing no posts lately in the profit room, man. Y'all say them give me a couple screenshots or something in there when y'all can. Drop them plays. That's what's going to help other people come into the room. Also, if anybody and everybody can, if y'all had time, go to the member testimonial and drop some information in there. Drop your likes, your dislikes on the Discord in there. We need all that to attract other members. I'd very well appreciate that from everybody. If you think that you're gaining some type of value in here, drop a testimonial. Let's get it. 73 cents, still 75. Waiting on 25 cents to go. Bitcoin, right back at it. 102 on the way. Come on, Auntie. You gotta finish this move out for us, Auntie. You're almost there. And I trust that you're gonna finish this move out. Let's go. 70, 30 cents away. Let's go. Let's go, Auntie. You going backwards on us. Let's go. QQQ. Let's get some pressure. Come on, Auntie. You back on 50%. Come on, Auntie. That's not what we doing right now. We supposed to be pushing the limit. We get to 508 yet? Nah, we ain't hit 508 yet. Here we go. Getting that push again. Getting that nice drop on the VIX. We want to see that drop to 1330 on the VIX. We put an alert right here on the VIX for dropping down. We could use that. CVS is looking crazy. I wonder who's still in there. Workspace is running up. Or work sport, my bad. Let me just look at this chart real quick. Look at the VIX trying to drop, just like I said. Work sport is running up though. Right back out that shoulder. It's up 2.3% today. I'm adding to sends right here. SENS. I'm adding to sends. $0.25 away again on the QQQ. This should bounce. Doge right back to 41 cents. Coin at 316. Let's see what coin look like. Coin still looking garbage right here. ETH looking good right here though. We was talking about this yesterday too with the gold and the silver. Let's take a look at silver and gold real quick. Silver. We were talking about this looking like an inverse head and shoulders yesterday. All right. And what did it do? It just bounced off of this today. I would look at silver right now to run up. So let's take those two moves right there. So silver might be a good play to get into. Let's take this one. Boom. That more or less looked like that top right there. So let's take this next move. Silver to $33. $33.50. Let's look at the XUA. See what we got. If XUA crosses over this, then you're talking about, so you're talking about this right here, 27.35. So let's look at it on this. You're talking about 252 on gold. And then if that breaks over, you're talking about 256. So 256 to 252. Or 252 to 256 on gold. Little slight pullback. Auntie playing around right now. It is 12 o'clock though. Work sport almost $1. Meta getting ready to make that move to 44. VIX starting to drop. We needed to hold that drop though. There we go. VIX about to drop to 1330, and hopefully it drops inside of this box, and then it's gonna run up. We get that drop to 13, well, past 1330 on the VIX. We get that drop in this box down to like $13 in the VIX. We're gonna see this 6124. QQQ gonna see this whole move, or at least halfway to this move to 35. We'll draw the half on that joint. So at least to 32. If the VIX get the rest of this drop. And look how it's just doing nice. Here come that alert. MSTR looking decent, Meta looking decent, gold could come off. We're not trading gold. Tesla 415. There you go. So Tesla about to tap in. There we go, 20 cents on QQQ. Back to 25 cents. 20 cents on QQQ. Them 530s from yesterday. Whew. Jones probably sitting crazy right now. I'm about to see what they worth, so I can annoy myself. $530s is 80 cents right now, 83 cents. Them Jones is probably about to be worth like $1 a piece. A little more than $1 a piece. Them Jones about to be sitting crazy. What's up with this Meta play? Come on, Meta. You already broke through one time today. Let's break through again. What do I see on Meta? That's what I see on Meta right here. That's what I see for Meta right there. Tesla, you looking good. Break this line. Let me see some Saquon Barkley out here. Let's hop over this joint backwards, and then keep it pushing. There go QQQ. Back to 20 cents. SPX coming back. MSTR holding steady. Meta looking like they just waiting on the Q. They waiting on that Q to go. 644 on Meta today. I'm taking a profit. I'm taking my profit. I see 677 as well, but I'm taking a profit on 644 because this could be a good Friday play, because I think PPI is going to come in decent as well, right? So PPI comes in decent, then 677 will probably hit by the end of the week, but this will be a good play for Friday to run this up on the 0 day if it happens. VIX still bouncing around this downside move. QQQ 25 cents away. Everybody that's on the live stream, you're not seeing what I'm seeing. You're not seeing what the Discord is seeing. Join the Discord and you'll get some detailed charts, detailed targets. Let's go. Work Sport. This is another one that we talked about in the Discord. Looking nice. All right. This is looking nice. Another one we talk about in the Discord that we're in is this Sens. Got into this from the bottom of it. And it's still running up. Tesla pulling back just a little bit, 50 cents away from the target. From the first target, I should say. Meta been doing the Lord's work all week. We caught all of this. And look, here's a perfect example of something. This is for my Discord. This ain't for y'all. Y'all ain't gonna get that. But this right here, perfect example of what I'll be saying with this right here, right? Where it doesn't have to go up. I mean, it doesn't have to go back. It could go up, right? This right here, in most cases, we talk about how they do this, right? But as you can see, in this case, it didn't do that, and it did this, because you gotta read what's inside of it, right? And the read that was inside of it was this, right? Well, the read that was inside of it was this right here, right? So even though that it presents itself, you got to know what the read on the inside of it is. So I just wanted to say that without saying much. Because if they want it, they're going to come join the Discord for it. But we got our next target up on Meta. We just waiting for this to break through right here and run that up for the rest of the day. Here we go. Here we go on Tesla. Here we go on Tesla. We still got 3.5 hours left. Basically 4 hours, but 3.5 hours left to really have some fun. Especially if you got 0 days. If you don't have no 0 days, then you got 4 hours left. That's looking good. This right here is looking good. It's looking good. Oh, come on. This joint need a trampoline or something. I don't think we got no trampolines in this joint. We got no springs in this joint, do we? Oh, we got some thread. We need some springs in this joint. Come on, Meta. What are you doing? That's because this is doing this. So once this is finished, we got 7 minutes left in that little trap there. We should start moving up. We're getting a bounce on the VIX too. Let's go down to a little lower on the VIX. So the VIX is looking like this, right? And with that, you get so with that, this is what's going on here on the VIX. We should be in there soon. So just, you gotta stick with the play. Don't get caught up with all the noise. Stick with the play. I say that we clear this today. I say tomorrow we're up here. And if we clear this, then Friday we're up here. We're in some pretty solid plays for the week, man. This will be a nice move for the end of the week too. That'll be a crazy move for the end of the week. go. SPY looking to take over the all-time high. Let's go, Auntie.
What are you? Some type of freak of nature?
Let's go.
I mean, you did it again, and I'm sure you're gonna do it again after this.
Let's go.
What are you?
We get our Trump endorsements, man.
Nobody's better than Stacks. Nobody compares to him. And quite frankly, he has to be the biggest nobody in the world. Because nobody knows him. But all that is going to change soon. Because everyone is going to know him. And then he will be the biggest somebody known to man.
Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Little something, nothing major. Not in my book. In my book, this looked like an inverse Head and Shoulders. Right? Come on, Auntie. Let's go, Auntie. This is what we talking about. This is what we waited for all day. For those on the live stream that don't know, the SPY is the lady, and SPX is her auntie. So anytime you hear me refer to auntie, I'm talking about SPX. Come on, auntie. You was doing good just now, auntie. All you gotta do is break this level for me. So auntie did touch the point right there. But I think that we got a lot more energy in her. She got a lot more energy in here. QQQ didn't touch the top yet. I'm feeling like we're gonna break out of all of these. Let's see what happens here. See if we could get this bounce right here. If we get this bounce, I'm confident that we gonna make this run up.